Hey guys, Sunny here. It's December the 15th, Tuesday, and we are trading natural gas today, as always. So, I'm still holding my shares from yesterday. Thought I had more shares than this. Okay. Alright, 1140 shares. Just check when it was sold. Alright. So, I'm still at loss on my position that I took on Friday. Yesterday was pretty bad, and I made some bad mistakes. But as of today, it looks like if you look at the 20-day 1 hour chart and 180-day 4 hour chart, you can see especially on 180-day chart, it's like already MACD has already crossed over, and there might be some fluctuation up and down, but as you can see, it's near the EMA line. So I'm on the short side. I'm like pretty sure that from here the stock will go down. So that's why I'm just gonna keep holding my 140 shares, 1140 shares. So let's see how things go today. As you can see, there's weakness in natural gas. The price is like compared relatively high. It was at 2.7 yesterday. It approached 2.7 yesterday. 2.711 was the high yesterday. Yeah, in my opinion, that's on the high side. But like there are some weather reports that are saying that there's going to be a cold chill, so that might prop up the prices for natural gas. But I don't think it's gonna be for long. This weather pattern can change anytime. It's not like weather is not an exact science, so things can change. But as of now, I would say the prices are on the high side. So let's do some analysis. We see some resistance slash support around this area. It could be a little bit up, a little bit down, but in general in this area, I could have made this at this line, but yeah, this general area. MACD is turning around on 1 minute chart. Yeah, each time it drops, I'm just waiting for it to reach at least above the price I paid, it's like 47.33 for KOLD. But as you can see, early at 9 a.m. it reached at 47.15, and I was pretty sure that it was gonna go up, but it ended up turning around. And yeah, like early morning hours, there's just no indication. Like as you can see, it was making lower lows. MACD was making lower lows. I thought it would just push a little bit more down, but all of a sudden it changed direction and went the other way. So let's see. Yeah, I need to focus on what it's doing. And I have to focus on like multiple charts, 5 minute chart, 1 minute chart, 1 hour chart, to make sense of what's going on. It looks like MACD is turning around on 1 minute chart. On 5 minute chart, it's still going up, but for the day, it's on the high side. So yeah, it could very well turn around. #21 chart, it looks like it's turning back up, but that's how it looked like yesterday also. Then it continued to come back down. However, on 21 day 1 hour chart, 21 day 1 hour chart, it looks like it's turning around. It hasn't turned completely. It's basically pointing sideways. But on 180 chart, the MACD is like already crossing over to the downward direction. So that is a good indication that natural gas prices will fall. We don't know the estimated storage report yet, but like Wednesday night, Thursday morning, we will know for sure. This is before the report, EIA report on Thursday. They're like estimates that are published online. So I'll keep an eye for that. I'm gonna try to like focus as much as possible today. Sometimes I get distracted um, to see what exactly going on. Like you have to focus all the time. It's hard, but that's what needs to be done. On 21-day chart, it's the prices had come below the 50-day EMA, and as of now, it's like keeping below the EMA line. So that indicates the prices are on downward direction. We have to see if it goes above the EMA line. And it's like middle of the month, so we are like about to switch over to the February month futures. So the ticker for February month is /NGG21. Now it jump to the upper price channel. I think the natural gas is a bit bullish because of the weather report. Again, I just gonna set off a buying frenzy, and it'll be a good buying opportunity. just gonna put a bar at 45, 42. Let's see if it gets filled. I don't expect it to, but let's just see. Alright, it's still keeping above the EMA line. The MACD has already crossed over, and on 5-minute chart it's on the high side. So like all these factors, yeah, alright, so it's come below the EMA line. So I was saying all these factors combined to say that prices will fall. But I'm looking at 1-minute and 5-minute charts, so this is like a near term. still keeping below the EMA line, which is good. And on 5-minute chart, it's at the EMA line, so let's see if it bounces or continues to go down. And also on 5-minute chart, the EMA is turning around, so yeah, all these indicate that the price is going to fall in the near future. But we also have to know that there is a metal VWAP here, that could act as resistance. Then we have this green SMA line. This green SMA line has been acting as resistance all morning. Since about 2 a.m. So that could act as a support now. Looks like on a 5-minute chart it tried to bounce off of the EMA. It looks like it bounced off the EMA on the 5-minute chart. On 5-minute chart, the MACD still seems to be turning around. On 1-minute chart, it's looks like it's turning up. So it looks like it will go up a bit before it comes down. So that's it. '21-day 1-hour chart still looking like prices will go down. 180-day 4-hour chart, MACD has crossed over and looks like it's more likely that the prices will go down. And also, if you look at 21-day chart, it's made lower lows than yesterday. So that's like a good indication where the prices are heading. Alright. Looks like it jumped up. And it's at like previous highs a few minutes ago. There seems to be some resistance here. Let me cancel this order and buy another. Let's see, 45.55. 45.50. Right, 45. Right, got filled. This jump came out of nowhere. Oh, look at that. It's almost touching the upper VWAP. Right, so now on both 1-minute chart and 5-minute chart, the prices are in overbought area. So let's see. Yeah, let's see if it's gonna turn around. It looks like it's bouncing from the EMA line. So yeah, it's back to almost 2.7. It's at 2.669. Right, looks like On 1 minute chart, the MACD is turning around. It's about to cross over, and then let's see if on 1 minute chart the prices go below the EMA line. On 5 minute chart, the RSI indicates overbought. Alright, the EMA line itself is turning around, and looks like the prices are going below. MACD has already almost crossed over. Yeah, that jump came out of nowhere, so I think the prices will adjust. Yeah, it's rebounding or not, just can't make up its mind. Alright, so now it's below the EMA, and the EMA line itself is turning around. MACD has crossed over, RSI is on the way. On 5 minute chart, the MACD is like curling around. It hasn't turned around yet. It's curling right now. The weather report says it's going to be chilly, but the weather changes frequently. The weather report changes frequently. There is no specific. When they make the weather models, there is no specific pattern. Like specific course of weather. They have multiple options. They call it the spaghetti models. So they basically predict all the possible outcomes from today. So they have this weather reporting service, but the weather changes on a daily basis. So today it's indicating cold. Tomorrow it could come out and say, oh, the weather pattern has changed, now it's going to be warmer. So that's something to consider about when trading natural gas. As of last week, Friday, they were predicting very low usage of gas, but from Monday they're projecting extremely high usage of gas. So just changed over the weekend. Alright, another jump back to the upper VWAP. It looks like all the bulls came out of nowhere. Yeah, since the market opened, it's been like making higher highs. Alright, both 1 minute chart and 5 minute chart are indicating overbought conditions. Let's see if it goes below the EMA line. As of now, I have 190 shares for KOLD, and I'm down on my position $825 today. But I've had these shares since Friday, so I think I'm down on my position about $2,000, 2,500. It's quite bullish today. I mean, yeah, that came out of nowhere. This morning it was like down, and I was thinking it will continue to go down. But at 9 a.m., like right at market open, it changed directions. Let's see if it continues to go down. Yeah, I would buy some more, but I'm like uh, I'm like fully invested, which I don't recommend. I have only $8 available to buy in my account. I don't recommend this. I was willing to pay the price, so that's why I like fully loaded up. And on Friday, I was like pretty sure that the weather hadn't. The weather reports were still indicating mild weather, so I was pretty sure on Monday the prices will come down. But exactly the opposite happened. So that's why it's important to have some sort of risk management. Like as of now I'm like fully invested, I can't buy anymore. So like that's uh, that's a good lesson for me. Yeah, I note to myself, like no matter how sure I am, I still shouldn't like fully invest. Ideally I shouldn't be invested more than 50% of my account size. If you are a beginner trader, I would recommend doing 25%. There are like a lot of moving parts, like when you trade. This there is this indicator, that indicator, all these things combine to move the price. I mean, it's hard to keep everything in your head all the time. That's why it takes all the focus. Alright, guys, let's see how it goes late uh, rest of the day. I will update in the evening. I've been live streaming for over an hour, so I'm just gonna take a break and have some more coffee. You know, take care of other things. Alright, good luck to you if you are trading natural gas today. I will catch up with you in the evening. Take care and have a good rest of the day. Bye.